Welcome back to DerfDice.com. Today we're going to try to make a more complex table than we did last time. This table is going to be used as a small treasure hoard, and I wanted to show you how to use it where you can add coins or you can use previously existed tables that were created by somebody else, as well as how to combine things onto one option. So first we need to find the tables that already exist. I think for this we're going to want jewelry, maybe common magic items, and let's go with gems. Now, there have been a couple of tables already created. If you go to derfdice.com/pound/profile/derflib, or if you go to DerfJohn's page as well, you can also find this person by just going to profile and exploring the profile and typing in derflib. There is a bunch of public tables that are available to you. So you can scroll through here and see if anything catches your interest. You do not technically need to click on these in order to use them. You really just need to know what this spelling is here, as well as who the creator is. So I'm going to click on gems, common, which you see I already have on my list on the left-hand side, and it's derflib : fantasy_gems_common. If you click on it, it brings you to that table. I'm going to copy this portion of the URL, the very end of it here, because that is really what I need for this future project. So then we're going to go back and I'm going to scroll down a little bit more, and I think there's one more on here that I want to use. Here we go. Magic item common. So you see that there's magic item common, combat, potion, scroll, ring, rod, miscellaneous. A magic item common should have all of those combined. So I'm just going to copy this last part of this list here and add it to a notepad on the side. I no longer need that. Now the last one I wanted was jewelry, which I personally know is on DerfJohn's page, so I'm going to click on his username. This is the creator of the website, and I'm just going to scroll down on his list of public things. So there's tons of them here, and we're just going to go to random jewelry. The information we want here is DerfJohn : random_jewelry, and I'm going to copy and paste that as well. So now we have everything we need to make our actual table. So we're going to go to edit, and I have no tables currently, so I'm going to go to new table. The table name that I want is small_treasure_hoard. The description that I want is random array of coin, jewelry, gems, and potential common magic items. And then the roll criteria, we're going to do 1d4 because we have 4 options, and each option is going to give you more things. So 1 will give you just coins, where 4 can give you magic items. And then I'm going to hit save. Now, instead of hitting simple table in this one, we're going to hit complex table and hit close. So now we have our options. So the table description is already here. For this, we have 1 through 4, but we're going to take that to 1. And then the content we want for this one is going to be, what do we want the first option to be? So I'm going to say a small treasure hoard as the description. Now for actually adding things, we're going to have to do /n/n. And let's say we want 2d100 plus 100 copper pieces. So what this is saying is we want it to roll 2d100 and add 100 coins, and that's going to be the number of copper pieces. We're going to repeat this 10d10 plus 50 silver and 8d8 plus 20 gold. So bracket 10d10 plus 50, close bracket, silver pieces, comma, space, and then 8d8 plus 20 bracket gold pieces. Then to close it, we're going to do /n, and then that should be it. So now we're going to add another entry. So for the second one, we can copy this as well, but we're going to add something. So we're going to copy what we have. I'm going to delete this last section here. We want to add random jewelry to this table. Let's add 3 pieces of random jewelry. So I'm going to do /n, and then this bracket here, the shift and then the bracket key under the minus key on your keyboard, we are going to do DerfJohn : random_jewelry with a closing bracket. And then if you want to copy that again, so we're going to do /n, and we'll do it 3 times and then end it with a /n at the end. Now for the third entry, we want the same thing, but we want to add 1 magic common item. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Instead of random jewelry here, we're going to do random jewelry, and we're going to do DerfLib, : fantasy gems common. That way we can have something different. Now in this one, we're going to add the magic item. So we will add that /n again, and we're going to do this bracket with DerfLib : magic item /. And then finally for the fourth option, we want the same thing, but we want to add one more magic common item. Now that we are done and we hit save and we hit close, we are going to go to roll. If you want to add this as a favorite, you can just click this little gray star here and make it blue. We're going to make it show 5 and hit roll. So a couple of options we got. The first one was 238 copper pieces, 89 silver pieces, 59 gold pieces. The next one is 257 copper pieces, 97 silver pieces, 60 gold pieces with a jasper, a gold pouch set with a single lazurite, a brass crown, a staff of command, and a +1 quillin, etc. So we have quite a few options that you could see here. And if you just want to roll this one time, that's fine. If you want to roll it multiple times and give them multiple options, that's also fine. Whatever you want to do. And that is how you use the advanced complex tables on DerfDice. Have fun, keep being creative, and we'll see you next time.